Want to turn ChatGPT into your personal money-making machine in 2025? Well, buckle up, because I've got 5 real ways you can do it, and some of them can make you money starting today. No tech skills, no problem, no investment. That's okay too. All you need is your creativity and a little bit of hustle. Let's get started. First up, content writing. People need words for blogs, newsletters, websites, and more, and ChatGPT can do most of the heavy lifting. Here's how you do it. Ask ChatGPT to write a blog post. Maybe something like top 10 budget travel hacks. Then polish it and post it on Medium. For the Medium Partner Program, you get paid based on how many people read it. Or go to Fiverr and offer writing gigs. Don't forget Substack. Start your own newsletter and build your subscriber base. Pro tip: always ask ChatGPT to write in a specific tone of funny, professional, Gen Z, anything that fits your audience. Second, let's talk digital products. With the help of ChatGPT, you can create ebooks, guides, planners, checklists, you name it. Ask ChatGPT to create a 30-day productivity planner. Format it nicely using Sanua, and boom, you've got a product. Now head over to Gumroad, PayUp, or Etsy, upload it, set your price, and let the internet do the rest. This is passive income at its finest. Number 3, social media management. This one's exploding right now. Businesses need content, and AI can help you create it. Use ChatGPT to write engaging Instagram captions, professional LinkedIn posts, even viral YouTube titles. Combine that with free tools like Sanua to design the graphics. Find clients on Upwork, People Per Hour, or Freelancer. Offer full content packages and charge more for bundled services. Fourth, create an online course. And you can become a teacher without ever stepping into a classroom. Let ChatGPT help you build the entire course of titles, outlines, lesson plans, and descriptions. Record your screen using OBS Studio and create slides with Sanua. Then upload your course to Skillshare, Udemy, or Teachable. Whether it's budgeting for beginners or intro to Sanua, someone out there is willing to pay for your knowledge. Fifth and final method, prompt crafting. This is a hidden gem, but it's catching fire. You can sell tailored prompts for bloggers, YouTubers, educators, or marketers. Basically, you're giving people pre-written magic to plug into their ChatGPT. Sites like PromptBase, Kavai, and Fiverr are perfect for this. Offer niche prompts like email marketing sequences, lesson planners, or storytelling formulas. And don't stop there. Bundle your prompts with Notion templates or AI guides to really stand out. You don't need to be a tech genius to start making money with AI. You just need a laptop, a Wi-Fi connection, and a strategy. These 5 methods can help you start earning real income online in 2025. Test them out, and you might be surprised how fast you can grow. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up and smash that like button. Drop a comment and let us know which AI method you're excited to try. We read every single one. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to CoinCrafts for more weekly videos on making money with smart tools and AI. Thanks for watching, and remember, future of online income is already here. You just have to start.